Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you open Windows Terminal in Windows 11 computers, so when you open Windows Terminal, now the default profile which is opening over here is Windows PowerShell. So if you want to go ahead and select Command Prompt as a startup window on Windows Terminal, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So click on this arrow and then select Settings, and under the Startup tab over here you can see Startup option and the default profile. By default, Windows PowerShell is selected over here. Now, if you want to set it to command prompt, you can go ahead and select command prompt, and then you can go ahead and click on save on bottom right, and then close this window. Now, next time when you open Windows Terminal, here you can see the default profile right now is command prompt. So this is how you can go ahead and set the command prompt as a default profile in Windows Terminal on Windows 11. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.